In this quick video, I will show you how to buy Arbitrum on Binance step by step. So the first step is to go to Binance.com, then log in using your Binance account. The second step is to have a funds in your Binance account. So if you don't have one, you can just click here on the Buy Crypto and choose what payment options you want to use. And once you have a funds in your Binance wallet or Binance account, go to trade here, click Binance Convert. And if you have a USDT, just click here and type down USDT. And also you can switch between two wallets here, so you can choose spot wallet or funding wallet by clicking here, and then click here, type down Arbitrum. For example, I want to buy worth 5 USDT of Arbitrum. Click preview conversion, and then I will receive this amount of Arbitrum token in my Binance account. But as you can see, I have insufficient balance, so I will not be able to continue. But once you have typed down the amount of USDT you want to convert, click here and wait for the transaction to be completed. And once the transaction has been completed, you can go to your wallet and check if you have received the Arbitrum token in your Binance wallet. If you have any questions about how to buy Arbitrum token on Binance, leave a comment below.